The Holy Royal Arch is often seen as the pinnacle of Masonic enlightenment, yet its mysteries remain shrouded in intrigue. What lies behind the vibrant colors of the chapter? The secrets of this degree are not merely symbolic. They are a profound exploration of the human experience and our quest for knowledge. Consider the significance of the three principal officers: the first principle, the second principle, and the third principle. Each embodies a vital aspect of our journey: wisdom, strength, and beauty. Their roles remind us that every Freemason is on a path of self-discovery, seeking to unlock the deeper meanings of our existence. The ritual itself is rich with allegory, drawing connections to the ancient traditions of the Israelites and their search for the lost word. This narrative invites us to reflect on our own searches for truth and understanding. As we delve into the teachings of the Holy Royal Arch, we uncover layers of meaning that challenge us to think critically and embrace the transformative power of knowledge. What secrets are you ready to unlock in your own Masonic journey?